Hi, welcome to Waiterio. Today I'm going to share with you some tips on which printer you should buy when using the Waiterio app. Waiterio works in any thermal printer that uses the ESC-POS protocol. Thermal printers with Wi-Fi connection is recommended. Here are some common connection interfaces: Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB, Bluetooth. Parallel and serial connections are not supported anymore. Just a precaution, having a Bluetooth printer is not recommended. Bluetooth printers loses its connection easily and is also not supported by iPhone operating system. When searching a thermal printer online, we recommend searching using Wi-Fi thermal printer instead of just the thermal printer model. It would be better to check the connectivity type of the thermal printer according to your preferred connection interface. We recommend searching thermal printers on Amazon. You can refer to the link on the description below. There you have it, some tips on which printer you should buy when using our Waiterio app. Thank you and have a great day.